Configuring your assistant and voice in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to personalize me for your account. Pick a personality, turn on spoken notifications, and set quiet hours. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Settings, Profile from your dashboard. This page personalizes me for your account specifically. It doesn't change anything for the rest of your team. Choose the personality that fits how you want your assistant to show up, or leave the default if you don't have a preference. Turn on spoken notifications if you want me to read certain alerts out loud instead of just showing them as text. Useful if you're on the production floor and away from your screen. It's silent by default. I only speak when you opt in. If you enable that, choose a voice and select which categories should actually be read aloud. You probably don't want every minor update spoken, just the ones that need immediate attention. Set a quiet hours window if you don't want spoken alerts interrupting you outside working hours. Save. These settings only affect your own account, so if a teammate wants spoken alerts too, they'll need to turn them on here from their own login.